Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion widgets. We'll dive straight into enhancing your Notion pages with dynamic and interactive elements. These widgets can transform your workspace, displaying everything from live weather updates to personalized countdowns. The most effective way to create them is by leveraging specialized third-party web services, which generate embeddable code for seamless integration. Choosing the right widget provider is your next crucial step. There are numerous online platforms available, each offering unique features and customization options. When making your selection, think about the specific functionality you need, how easy the platform is to navigate, and any potential subscription costs. Services like Indify and Widgetbox are excellent starting points, providing a wide array of widget types. Now, let's get creative and design your widget. Once you've picked a service, you'll typically choose a widget type, such as a clock, weather forecast, or a custom counter. Most platforms offer extensive customization options, allowing you to fine-tune colors, fonts, and even the data sources. Spend a few minutes perfecting its look and feel, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your Notion aesthetic. The final step is bringing your beautiful new widget into Notion. After customizing, your chosen service will provide a unique embed code. Simply copy this code, then navigate to your desired Notion page. Type /embed to create an embed block, paste your code, and press enter. You can then easily resize and reposition the widget to fit perfectly, enhancing your page with dynamic content in just a few moments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.